Yamamunyina Makwaba Samba Forest Network Academy so and then studio. Aha ye che forest trading e chi kasam. Wa wonte forest trading asidi an oben a obeti ase e wo Forest Network Academy channel we so. Se won subscribe ya me pa cho nya red button na wa ase no. Na subscribe to your channel no. Wa on see your previous video ni bia so hwesoro na click so. Na share a previous video no about your sell setup no. And then you don't make a chart no so near a buy setup no near share chart no said you best for a trade on GBPJPY 30-page trading strategy no how your chart no so it's me no be shi near a chart no so near a kokoye de say di machi near nko GBPJPY 30-page trading strategy buy setup no. Say buy setup na so a ene ye sell setup na sunsunre bia endantemu eti efa GBPJPY 30 pips a day system buy setup na e wo say wo hwe say o 10 EMA no across o 26 EMA na akosro ansa na o setup no a activate say the account sell setup ni ma sa prepare penso na buy setup no so ti eti say o 10 EMA no across o 26 EMA a be pa cho enye amunum ho ara ana obeye de obe place with trade no and also trying for a little retracement so who say na medical can sell setup no say so who say trade no or setup no activate here that's a 10 EM na across 26 EM na market no ebe retrace kakra about the traders action zone halfway eba odofo na say what ready e ho na obetimi a place or sell no e wo ho no so so na buy setup no so it's no 10 EMA no across 26 EMA no na se kosra train any across no or sell or buy setup no activate it no be train kakra na when retracement when na retracement na obe train na place o buy na e traders action zone nim it na place o buy na me pa o stop loss ebe 15 to 20 pips mema embro so here say o stop loss no so ebe a obe hwe the nearest swing high na o do stop loss no atwo me pa o take profit na so over 30 to 40 pips. Your target 30 pips. Into abro so I was 40 pips. Now, what do you take profit? Now hit him out. You follow your strategy and also you follow your rules now. A governs our strategy, you know. So follow rules now. Obedin kunim. Medical can say strategy way working 90 to 95%. Our market so. The enhance obey rules no so obey discipline. No follow rules no. Na obey yamao. It's me no bebo shi. Ni akọ chart na so ni akọ akọhwe se de buy setup no eye adwuma sesi ya buy chart na so eti ebehwe se de GBPJPY buy setup no 30 page strategy buy setup no so eye adwuma sifa eti ebekọ indicator list na so akọfa ye indicator na babeto so yes indicator na ebe use no ye 10 EMA 10 exponential moving average any 26 exponential moving average eti ebebo shi ni akọ indicator list na so ni akọ akọfa ye indicator no ababeto so and you have moving averages. I say you have trends, you have moving averages. You have 26 EMA. You be indicating with yellow no. Now you click default settings in the 26 method near exponential moving average. You click OK na so. Near use color yellow na. You have saba your indicator list this will be near saba moving average. 10 moving average, 10 EMA, 10 exponential. The best is 26 na I and 10. Here is a color no. Here I know white for this lesson. It's a better change no I and white. Here me also. Into other four. Who say moving average is never better chart na so. It's a better here buy setup no. Here you indicate here setup no say setup no activate me at trade here. It's also me the mouse point cursor no. Eto line white na so a indicate 10 moving average. 72 yellow no so a indicate 26 exponential moving average. It has say no, you will show the crossover of the 10 exponential moving average and the 26 exponential moving average. No, it's say the amount curves and a share. I for the market no across the over. It's your share 10 EMA no across the over. It was our point way. I have say and across the over. Across the over na no. Yen place you buy no. Amunumu ha. You be trying our market na kosro. Now you are trying for retracement into the middle of your 10 EMA and your 26 EMA. It's also market na kosro no. About down into your 10 in between your 10 EMA and your 26 EMA no. It's a number drew honum na it's your 20. A hot any be place you buy setup no. Into your say and I will place your buy setup no. So shine am dey arrow na indicate to us say nti we buy e wa say entry point e was outside we eti enya place here buy na near the stop loss about 15 to 20 pips below our entry. If we are near the take profit to 30 pips above our entry. Let's set up no edimu. Me patcho you respect your stop loss and you take profit no. Say stop loss hit here, there are more opportunities in the market. Medical culture say that strategy we working 90 to 95%. Our market so GBP etimi call 100 to 200 pips in a day. It's no say when as set up we na say e worki e mawa a day no obetimi areche target bia opebia our market so depending on your lot size. It's your buy setup no so say ya na e day ete compared to our sell setup no the same thing ene din bia etimi patcho follow rules no ne follow said the year adwuma no esifa. You be share advantages and disadvantages are a govern trading strategy way. GBPJPY 30 pips day trading strategy no. Your advantages and disadvantages but answer no. You may have some various options you let me just trade this strategy. There is a candlestick na I enter traders action zone per share bullish or bearish reversal candlestick. You sure say wow tear me, wow follow me. When or reversal candlesticks. Ewo ho ebesua ohwe other videos never ba no ebehwe candlesticks and so when candlestick that answer a obehwe bullish or bearish reversal candlesticks now what media enter our market no for buy and sell signal after the obe place buy stop and also sell stop pending order obe place high and low our market no so baby traders action zone no it take place no after obeba no obehwe a few pips below high and low no for a reversal candlestick now or than activate per now what place will stop loss and I say we take profit. Stop loss me patcho say ben o nearest swing high and also swing low. Now places our stop loss no. Now after the die strategy now say die activated order no ma enkonko hete OTP. Eti ebebo shi ni akọ ya advantages so ni ahwe ye ho I was say etimi di so and I say emwa strategy we betumi aboa your trading journey ni eti ebe koya nim ni akwa kohwe advantages no se ebe hwe advantages na yes volatile nature of JPY forex means that profit target can be hit easily and also can easily be hit. What you say it's strategy we easily say obetumi arene sa 30 pips no but you can catch us say on a daily basis no GBPJPY etumi come more than 100 pips to 200 pips. It may come more than 200 pips on a daily basis now. It's so strategy we easily say we bet me hit our target. In a good strong trending market this trading strategy will work really well. It's only a trending market and so what we declare. Now say strategy we ebe work year amount. But you can catch us say working 90 to 95%. It's you place you trade now. Una hete una share o traders actions na say unya hu o trend na say o place you trade na mesra ma oya mo hyehyɛ o da fa stop loss net wo ne di mra no so your discipline ne follow rules no we na follow rules na nya aka bia no trading strategy na ebe adwuma no nyina ama onya 30 pips no off market ne so etie quickly ne be kwa kohwe disadvantages are a governance trading strategy we aye GBPJPY 30 pips trading strategy etie be kwa disadvantages. You see disadvantages. In a ranging or flat market, you will have many false signals. If you patch some market in a ranging and some market in a flatter, The market ni movement biya na say volatility no form amesraw when na one fast trading strategy we anya waduane enko market no mu kra enkom ensa be na false signals ama hit stop loss bebre. Its stop loss can be easily hit if it too close or as the spread on GBPJPY currency pair can be 3 to 4 pips. So when you place your stop loss using the system, you should be thinking about placing it in a place where it won't get easily hit. And I make an so place you stop loss now. But what they are say embed entry no. So entry na say when say e betumi ayede a hit easily the form sell trim call the nearest swing low. Never stop loss near there and I said the nearest swing high depending on sell or buy setup now. Oh yeah no. So the buy our stop loss no so it me hit easily. It me sell disadvantages are a govern trading strategy and now who are high. Madam I say it way any disadvantages any advantages are a govern your GBPJPY 30 pips trading strategy no. Until therefore so subscribe here shall see how who red button no click the subscribe button no so na subscribe to your Forex Network Academy channel no YouTube channel way and abeboa ama Forex trading account no etimi akọ nanim aha a ye Forex e wo twi mu no aha na wo sua Forex a ebeka utim Forex Network Academy and Forex in G abema wo hu Forex na de ban ye any scar e wo se wunya e wo Forex ni your strategies ni na ebe lead you to be a person who destination or Forex no journey no ebe ye kutu abi follow yan the DH any videos be ebe bia no so betimi anya bia dey ahwe within the owa hina champion beginners for so munya to base mun ko so na mun hwe videos no musumu de e wo mu bi obi ansa be kan de e beginners advanced intermediate obi biara a wa na adwen say opeso osua forest trading bia no ono so be kan de pepepe etimu ma ye nyina ye mom na ye ndi Forex Network Academy chi ye ndi Forex ntwi achi ye ntimi sua Forex no ye nti ase ye medamu nyina amas